I am Susanna S. I am a professor of ophthalmology at UC Davis Eye Center. I specialize in treating patients with retinal problems. My area of research is discovering new ways of treating vision loss that cannot be treated with current treatments available. The federal-funded research project that I have been conducting is funded by the National Eye Institute of the National Institute of Health. And this funding has allowed us to conduct a clinical trial exploring the safety, feasibility, and potential efficacy of isolating stem cells from our bone marrow and injecting them in the eye in patients with vision loss from retinal vein occlusion, which is like a stroke in the eye. The impact of our research has shown that we can treat patients, we can inject patients' own stem cells into the eye without any safety concerns as far as we can tell. There may be potential beneficial effects based on animal studies we've already conducted using these stem cells. The impact of this research in ophthalmology in general is that we may actually have treatments to repair or regenerate damaged retina in patients with vision loss from various retinal problems that we cannot treat at the current time. Well, this clinical trial that we completed was relatively expensive. It's hard to do trials like this without federal funding support. And so if we have reduced funding, it slows down or impedes any further developments in inventing and developing new treatments for our patients with vision loss. The federal funding is not only for eye research, it's applicable to all of medicine. So this can have a huge impact in the way we advance, the pace we advance in developing new treatments for all medical conditions.